That's what the real war is. God's children versus man's children. Bestiality, the AI comes from. Seedless, soulless.
We represent the children of God and the children of the devil.
No, I'm not talking about you. When I use the universal you, I'm talking
I know
to,
you mean people in general.
I'm filling in the dots. You know, the things that the light bulb is going to come on, the stuff that you're missing, so you can see how to become more productive here, so you can unplug out of the matrix, so you can come into reality and not in a simulated world where you're being manipulated, you're being killed, you're being utilized.
I also heard you speak about using the term the slavery or the slave trade is actually incorrect, that it was actually what we would call today sex trafficking.
It is. It's the same identical thing. It is.